So in this problem, we have that dichloromethane and cooking oil are both non-polar. Now we have to explain that why dichloromethane is very volatile, while cooking oil is not. So the answer is, so dichloromethane, commonly known as methylene chloride, is a solvent and widely used as in chemical research because it is a highly volatile liquid. Is a highly volatile liquid. So it evaporates when exposed to air. Thus it is a capable of distillation. Now cooking oil is non-volatile because it does not evaporate. It does not evaporate on warming and non-drying as a function. Their tendency to solidify on exposure to air. So these things make cooking oil non-volatile, and these things make dichloromethane volatile.